Okay, today folks, I had a customer give me a call. He told me he smelled his electrical box burning. I want you to look at this. This is the bus bar burning. It's fried all the way down. I want you to look down about halfway to the right hand side. See how the heat has literally just deteriorated this particular bus bar. Now this is aluminum. Aluminum has more of a capacity to expand and contract more than copper. We're going to replace this Monday, and we're going to use a copper bus bar. I want you to look at the breakers. These breakers, they have an odor to them. They're very strong. You can tell they were burnt. They were under heat for a long time here. So we're going to replace the bad breakers, which is actually the upper half of this electrical box. I'm going to tighten everything down and go through this, and then we're going to replace the guts on Monday. So what I've done now, I have replaced the breakers that were all burnt. Here's some that I've got. I'm going to show you here. I replaced all the breakers that had an odor to them that smelled. One thing I want to show you here is I want you to look. What I've done here is, if you notice, there's some breaker spaces available inside the box. That is where the bus bar is at its worst. What happens a lot of times with this kind of stuff, one side gets overheated. There's too much amp draw on either the A or the B bus. This is just a temporary fix. For you electricians that see this, I do have 2 wires bugged under some of the single pole breakers. We're going to replace all this Monday. This is a weekend service call. This is an AT. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to measure the panel box. I'm going to measure the bus bar from the top of the black plastic part down to the bottom. I'm going to measure side to side. Then I'm going to go and purchase, this is a Siemens ITE. I'm going to go purchase this same panel box where I can just basically take out the guts and put the breakers in. That way we can leave the neutral bars and the grounds in place. It'll not only save time, it'll save the customer money. If you have any questions and you have a situation that's an emergency of the weekend, you're trying to get by safely, just give us a call at Jones Air Conditioning, 239-596-5855. Go to jonesairconditioning.com. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.